Well, this video will show the Bluetooth lock. Here is the Bluetooth lock, and this video will show how to add one-time using user account. Now, I have connected the lock to app already, and open. And then I will add one user account. Firstly, click the three dots here and add a user, and click here. Here you can input your own phone number or 1 to 12 digits. Everyone is okay. Now I will input here. This is a user account, and here we can choose the time for the user for using the lock. Once means the user can use this account for one time, and here is the time. During this period, the user can use this password to open and close the lock. Now click here, add a user. Successfully. Now here is a user account, and this is a user password. And this is a user password. Now we can input a user password here. One time. So after this operation, this code has been invalid. When we input it again, the lock cannot open. Just for one time using. Okay.